how to delete apps on your phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can delete apps on your phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Deleting apps on any Android or iOS device is fairly simple. Depending upon the phone that you're using, you'll be able to see a list of icons in the apps that you've installed. And if you'd like to uninstall a certain app, all you have to do is just long press on it and then just tap on the uninstall button if you see over here. Now some application will require you to drag it like this and then just locate the remove button from the top in order to remove it, or you can just go ahead and then long press on any of these here and then just tap on the uninstall button from the top in order to delete apps on your phone. This way you can delete apps on phone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.